If you're looking to create AI thumbnails on YouTube, in this video, I'm going to be going over the entire process from start to finish to how to clone yourself with AI, how to generate the image, how to add the text so you can make an AI thumbnail in less than 5 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a platform called The Great Discovery, and I'm going to log into something called the AI Genius Club. So I'm going to my learner dashboard. From my learner dashboard, I can log into the AI Genius Club. Within the Genius Club, they have an app called the Genius Image Model. And what this model allows you to do is to clone your face. It's basically to train a model, to train an AI on your likeness that will then allow you to generate unlimited images of yourself. So what you want to do is you want to come in here and you can train it on a person or a product, but I'm going to train it on a person. You can enter in your gender here, male or female, enter in the name of your model, what you want the handle of your model to be, and then you want to upload 8 to 30 images, follow the rules here. And once you do that, you pay a one-time $6 fee to train the model. And I've already trained my model, and so I've been able to generate these AI images now that I have my custom model created. So you see I've created all these different images here. And once you pay that one-time fee, you can then generate an unlimited amount of images. Now the AI Genius Club does have a cost of $59 a month, but if you refer 3 people into the AI Genius Club, well then you get unlimited access into the AI Genius Club for totally free. So right now I'm going to go ahead and generate more images. This is actually a pretty good image here. My prompt is create me a YouTube thumbnail image of I did the @ and I tagged my AI custom image model. In this thumbnail, I want to create Alex in an AI art studio utilizing AI art tools. Design a visually striking YouTube thumbnail that captures attention instantly. The thumbnail should feature bold, contrasting colors, neon blue, electric yellow, vibrant orange with a clean professional layout. Highlight the central subject, an AI-powered tool, and a futuristic concept using dynamic lighting effects such as glowing edges and overlays. Make sure Alex Hit is on the right side of the image and leave enough space to add text on the left-hand side. Make sure there are no human hands present in the thumbnail, and make sure Alex is the only one in the AI thumbnail. And that's what it gave me here. So if I want to create some more, I can simply click here. And like I said, I can just keep creating unlimited AI images in this. There's no limit to how many I can create. So I can just keep creating. It takes just about 10 seconds to create an image. They quote you a minute, but really it just takes about 10 seconds to create one, and then all my images are saved down here. So if I like any of these, I can come down here and I can grab any one of these. I like that one so far, but I'm just going to go ahead and create 3 or 4 different ones and then pick the one that I like the best. Now, if I ever lose my prompt, what I can do is I can just hover over the image down here and I can click prompt, and then I can copy that prompt and repaste it in if I need to. Okay, this one I got some like futuristic headphones on. I actually kind of like that. That's kind of cool. And my hair looks really good too. So I think this is actually the one we're going to use because I just like how it did that. So let's go ahead and we can copy this. We're then going to go into Canva. And in Canva, I have a lot of thumbnails already created, like this one from a previous video. So go ahead and duplicate that. But this time I'm just going to delete the background image, and I'm going to delete all that. I can keep the text, but I can simply just paste that image there. I'm going to go ahead and put that over there for now. Scoot all that over here. Change this, move that over just about there. Flip the arrow around. Now I can expand my image out, place it in the back, increase the size, and then using just one simple AI tool in Canva, which is the Magic Expand, which will just allow me to expand this image out a little bit so I can fill up the entire screen. There it is. And now expanded that image just to the far left. So now there's no white space over there on the side. And look at that, guys. I pretty much have a completely new image. What I do want to do is I just want to put my face in front of that text so I'm not kind of behind it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the image and I'm going to do background remover. That's then going to isolate my face. I can then put that right there, and it just makes it a little bit more 3D. And I'm going to make this pop a little bit more too, just by moving that over. So I could stop there, but I usually like to add just a glow effect sometimes, especially because I want to highlight this AI Genius Club a little bit more. So there you have it. In literally less than 5 minutes, I was able to create this brand new AI thumbnail utilizing some text that I had previously in Canva and the AI Genius Club, which I get for totally free because I've referred 3 people into it. I paid $6 to train this genius image model on my face. I can then come in here and I can literally generate unlimited images that I can then just copy and paste into Canva so I can make new YouTube thumbnails whenever I want. And I do want to highlight some other tools here within the AI Genius Club as well. One of them is our Video Genius tool, where you can actually just copy and paste websites, and it will scan the website and then create AI generated videos that take language directly from the website, add images, add music, add voiceover, everything simply by copying and pasting a website. You can also do it by text. You can add a description, or you can get really advanced and edit all the advanced settings. There's all these different voices that you can use. You can add different types of music, the different text effects, the transcript placement, the font color, the font family. There's tons of different fonts that you can use. How many slides do you want? You can make videos well over a minute. If you want portrait or landscape mode, where you want the captions, how you want the slides to be animated, and then all of your videos are here. Now, these do cost credits, so I bought 1,000 credits for $7, and in this video that's 1 minute and 40 seconds only cost me 50 credits to create. So that's a really, really great price. Like I said, you can just take your website or a prospect's website or an affiliate link, put that here, and it will automatically create videos pulling directly from the websites. So I'm going to make a video on that next. It's called our Video Genius tool, so make sure to subscribe for that. And if you're looking to learn more about the AI Genius Club, go to thegreatdiscovery.com. It's one of the many tools within the Great Discovery. There's so many other features. We have more tutorials and presentations on that, but that's the end of this tutorial. Make an AI thumbnail in less than 5 minutes. Make sure to subscribe for more AI tutorials, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Have a great day. Goodbye.